So hey everybody, it's Evan here from Round the UK on a tenner a day, and we're in Devon now, and I thought I'd do a collaboration with Cooking Round the UK on a tenner a day and these people called Cooking with Cody. So I'm here today cooking with them, so I thought we'd just ask them what their channel's about. So guys, what is your channel about?
So we are a father and son team who've come from Birmingham down to Devon, and in the process we've brought our little cooking show with us. So we try and help the community down here by cooking for the homeless or for families who are living in poverty. When I first took the kids on, I didn't know how to cook, so I had to learn on the spot. And the YouTube show and the Facebook show that we've got is just basically us learning how to cook stuff. And it's normally the first attempt that we've ever done will be that video that's on YouTube. So it's a bit of fun, but we're giving back to the community as well.
Great, yeah, it's definitely good what you guys are doing.
It's really cool.
So yeah, have a look at their kitchen. Bit of a mess at the moment because we've just finished making fish finger sandwiches, which will be the video that's coming up soon. So yeah, they're called Cooking with Cody. So go on to YouTube, you're on Facebook,
All of it,
and Instagram.
Yeah, Twitter,
hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications and follow them.